When it comes to survival, the owl is a master tactician. Silent flight. Their special feathers reduce wind noise, making them almost completely silent. Prey never hears them coming. Night vision. Though not technically night vision like in sci-fi, their large eyes absorb even the tiniest amount of light, letting them hunt in near total darkness. Hearing accuracy. Thanks to their facial disc and uneven ears, owls can detect the exact direction and distance of even the faintest sound. Ambush predator. Most owls don't chase. They wait, watch, and strike with deadly speed. Territorial control. Owls mark and defend large territories, especially in winter when prey is scarce. Feather maintenance. They groom constantly to keep their feathers clean and stealthy. Pellet regurgitation. After digesting meat, they cough up the bones, fur, and feathers in a pellet, cleaning their digestive tract.